Hi everyone, it's me again, Munju JV, and today, pag-uusapan po natin ang tanong ni Sir JTech Pinoy Channel. Lahat ba daw ng video sa YouTube Studio kailangan lagyan ng yes or no? Ang ibig pong sabihin kung kailangan daw nating i-mark or set ang video natin kung yes, it's made for kids or no, it's not made for kids. Way back 2020, we are all required to mark our video if it is made for kids or not made for kids. Pero bakit nga ba? Before we continue, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and click the bell button for more tips and updates. Ginawa po ang changes sa audience settings na kailangan nating i-mark ang video kung made or not made for kids. Kasi po ito yung settlement between the FTC and YouTube to protect kids in their privacy and to comply with the COPPA. COPPA is the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. Isa po itong American law na pumuprotekta sa mga bata online. So, lahat po tayo obliged or legally required na iset ang video natin kung made or not made for kids to comply with the COPPA. Kasi po kung hindi natin nakategorize ng tama ang video natin, halimbawa, made for kids ang video at hindi na marked as made for kids, magkakaroon tayo ng consequence sa YouTube or legal consequences under COPPA and other laws. Bago tayo magpatuloy, shoutout po at salamat po sa mga nagpunta at nanood ng video ko.
Thank you and shout out. Miss Floor Blog, Mr. Staff. Miss Jen Vist, Miss Baby Kai Blog, Mr. Rudd's Mix Adventure. Miss Shanae's Official, Miss Givlin TV.
So, ano ang dapat mong gawin? First, kailangan mong iset ang channel or video mo kung made for kids or not made for kids. Go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel tab, Advanced Settings, at sa Audience section, pili ka ng option na magdi-describe sa channel mo kung yes or no, it's not made for kids. Kapag made for kids po ang video, walang personalized ads, or may ads naman pero limited or maybe less personalized. Wala ding super chat or merch self, at naka-disable or naka-off ang comments, live chat, notification bell, and playlist. Halimbawa naman ng channel mo is not made for kids at meron kang video na hindi nag-align or meron kang video na for kids, kailangang baguhin mo ang audience settings. So, ano naman ang mga video na made for kids? Meron pong ibinigay na information ang FTC para malaman natin ang mga video na made for kids. Number 1, subject matter of the video. Halimbawa ang video mo, educational content for preschoolers. Obviously, it is made for kids. At kapag naman ang intended viewers mo ay mga bata or yung video mo is obviously para sa mga bata, it is made for kids. Kapag ang video mo merong child actors or models, characters, celebrities, toys, kahit na yung mga animated characters or figures, it is made for kids. Languages or mga activities for children. Halimbawa, early education songs or games for children, it is made for kids. Or halimbawa, ang mga nanonood ng video mo mga bata, so it might be considered made for kids. Pero halimbawa may nanood sa video mo na mga bata, pero ang intended viewers mo mga adult. May nanonood lang na mga bata, nag-enjoy sila na panoorin ang video mo, hindi po siya made for kids. And of course, not made for kids ang video mo kung may kalaswaan, karahasan, or mga mature themes na hindi angkop sa mga bata. Halimbawa naman ng video mo DIY or gumagawa ka ng mga DIY dolls. So, pwede siyang panoorin ng bata, matanda, bagets. So, i-mark mo siya as not made for kids. Kapag DIY or family vlog ang content mo, ang tawag po dyan is general audience content. Meaning, pwedeng panoorin ng mga bata at matatanda. At kapag ganyan ang content mo, is-set mo as not made for kids. Mixed audience content, kapag ang content mo halimbawa may model ng bata or may mga characters or anime figures, so yan po ang mixed audience content. So, ikaw po ang nakakaalam kung ano ang content mo, kung made for kids or not made for kids. Kapag hindi mo na-set ang video mo, si YouTube po ang magsaset with algorithm. Kaya lang pwedeng hulaan niya lang ang video mo. Kasi po ang machine learning system, hindi naman yan 100% perfect. So, halimbawa ang video mo is not made for kids at na-set ni YouTube ng made for kids, magkakaroon ka ng low monetization and so on. At pwede rin itong maka-affect sa channel mo kung hindi mo ma-set ng tama kung made or not made for kids ang video mo. So again, ikaw po ang nakakaalam kung ano ang content mo, kung made or not made for kids. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, corrections, feel free to do so. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless.
Thank you for watching YouTube Analytics. Miss Jen Cute Gaming, Mr. Wild Sri Lanka. Madam Babelies Official, Mr. Yormi Mayer. Mr. DJ Jose, Miss Demi G. Miss Shanae's Official, Miss Aisha Nam 89 IE. Mr. Deep Tech Mechanic, Miss Givlin TV. Mr. Yush Gamer Pro, Miss Darling Blogs. Miss Barbie 98, Mr. By Nyman. Miss Ella Bell, Miss Adventurous Anne. Miss Floor Blog.